Gentlemen and ladies, start your rocket pool. This is it. This is the big day. The assumptions in this video are that you're SSH'd into your node. The Rocket Pool Smart Node is installed and the wizard has been wizarded. Now we're going to review Rocket Pool commands which will enable us to start and stop the service. The Rocket Pool service should already be running due to the configuration wizard settings that we chose. Let's learn how to stop the Rocket Pool service in case we need to do some maintenance. This is easy. Simply type Rocket Pool service stop and hit enter. We've got a message here regarding the doppelganger protection. Press Y for yes and enter. Here we can see that the service has halted. Now to restart, we input Rocket Pool service start. It's that easy. Look how quickly it restarted and brought everything back up. Brilliant. Now let's check the status. Type in, or paste in, I should say, Rocket Pool node status. Well, looky here. We don't have a wallet set up yet. Well, that's okay. We'll do this in a future lesson. Let's take a look at another command which we can also use. Type in Rocket Pool service version. Here we can get a snapshot of everything we have currently configured, including our chain, our Rocket Pool client version, our Rocket Pool service version, and both our execution and consensus clients. Let's do another command. Type in Rocket Pool node sync. Well, since we just started creating this node, it's definitely still syncing.
As a reminder, before becoming fully operational, your node needs to synchronize its state with the blockchain by downloading a lot of data. This is called syncing.
It could take days for a full sync. We're currently at around 4.5%. Excellent job. This was a pretty short lesson, wasn't it? We learned how to stop and start, and most importantly, we know how to check for our services. We can also check the status of our syncing. In the next video, we're going to start setting up our node wallet. It's getting real. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.